Was he the bad one? Bad guy? Oh no, she does. Well, she does. She has one stepmother and two stepsisters. One is named Drizella and one is named Anastasia, and the stepmother is so mean to her. And Lucifer, that's her cat. Oh yeah, and her horse, Winston. Huh? Her horse, Daisy. There's Jack. And there's Gus. He has big belly. That's a car. He's brown.
I'm trying to videotape it.
Because Lily's reading to her friends. It's funny.
Then Gus he's flipping and he's gonna rope the beat. Some of his is coming. In just a minute. Look, now she's gonna cry. See? There's Anastasia. And she's and there's her mother. Magic mother. No, that's her fairy godmother. Yeah, she's a magic mother. Yeah, that's why her name is Fairy. She's a fairy. She's a fairy godmother. That's why her name is Fairy Godmother. Well, one of them I said, glide over in her shirt.
Well.
Then stop listening to me. Then Cinderella meets her prince. Then she saw Cinderella. She saw the stepmother in the mirror. Yes, sorry. Yay! Then here's the magic. That's when they married. The dad